Welcome to the Nural Sales app tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started.
Open the Nural Sales app on your mobile device. From the main dashboard, tap on the Inventory tile to access the Inventory module. Now, tap on the Scan Product button to open your phone's camera. Scan the barcode on the product. Once scanned, the product details will appear automatically. Click on the Add GRN Stock button to add it to the list. Repeat this process to scan and add more products if needed. Once done, tap the Submit GRN button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your all GRN for the day has been submitted. Next, let's see how to manually do a GRN. From the main dashboard, tap on the Inventory tile to access the Inventory module. Tap on the Add Manually button. Now, select the product step by step by choosing the appropriate brand, category, model, and SKU. Then, enter the serial number of the product. You can also input just the serial number without selecting the product details. Click on the Add GRN Stock button to add it to the list. You can repeat this to add multiple products. Once done, tap the Submit GRN button. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the all GRN for the day has been submitted. Lastly, let's learn how to search inventory and view GRN history. From the main dashboard, tap on the Inventory tile to access the Inventory module. Tap on the Search tab. Select whether you want to view the inventory or the GRN history. Use the available filters like brand, model, SKU, and date range to narrow down your search. Once the filters are selected, tap the Search button. Below, you will see a list of results. You can click on the eye icon to view the serial number of the product. This is how you can efficiently track and manage inventory and GRN history using the Nural Sales app. That's it! You've now learned how to do GRNs via scan or manual entry, and how to search and track inventory records using the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using Nural Sales.